Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find search history settings on your account center, on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click on settings, and here you will find it on account center. Click on personal details. Here you will find your information and permissions. Click on it, and you will find it. You will find search history. That's it. That's how to find search history settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.